Hi everybody, this is Sonya, and this is my Catcrazy Creations crochet video. I hope this is finding everybody doing well, and that you've had a lot of time to crochet and do any other crafty projects that you want over the last couple of weeks. This video is going to be on the quick side. I haven't really did much crocheting over the last couple of weeks. My birthday is coming up on the 28th, and so I'm kind of waiting for my birthday so that I can get gift cards and my money and whatever that I need so that I can replenish my yarn stash. My yarn stash is kind of depleted, and some of the projects that I want to work on and make are bigger projects, and so I need to restock my yarn. So the things that I'm making right now are basically scrappy things that can be used with scrap yarn. So anyway, I am going to show you what I have been working on, and what it is it is a Happy Crab pet toy. Now I have made several of these over probably the last couple of years, and they really hold up. If you have a cat, this is something really good to make them. And what you do is you just put fiber fill or whatever kind of filling you want to put inside, and then put catnip in there. Cats love it. My cat loves it. So this is using a size H hook, and this is about the size that it will be. You make two sides, and here is my other side that I'm just starting. So you make the two sides, sew them together, leave a little space, fill it with whatever you want to fill it with, put your catnip in there, sew it up. If you want to put eyes and a mouth, you can. And then you've got a pet toy. This right here took me probably, I don't know, maybe 20-25 minutes. Very quick little project to make. And this is the Super Saver. Like I said, I'm on scraps and stuff now, so I don't even have the thing that goes around it. But it's Super Saver variegated color. I think it's berry something. But yeah, it's really nice. It's soft. It's a softer Super Saver. So anyway, that's what I was working on. But I want to tell you that, and most of you that crochet know this, but if you use a bigger hook and you use thicker yarn, that your project will be bigger. So last year what I did was I decided I was going to make my dog, the black dog that you see in my videos sometimes, I was going to make him a toy. So I used this crab pattern, and I put two of the yarns together. I used a much bigger hook, I think like maybe an I or K, something big. And I made him a crab like this. Now this has been well loved. This is like a year old, so as you can tell, he has chewed on it. I have not sewn this. I've not repaired this in any way. I used two strands of the yarn, which made it very, very thick, and I put some stuffing inside of it. And yeah, so what I'm saying is, you don't always have to stick to the pattern exactly. If you have an idea in your head, you like this pattern, but oh, I want to make it bigger. And go for it, you know? It kind of becomes your own. So it went from this to this. And you know, and that's fun to do. You can also make stuffies out of this. Instead of giving it to the dog or an animal, just make a stuffy. Pretty yarn. Put the eyes on, put the mouth on, you know, and you have a stuffy that a child would love. You know, you could put the safety eyes on instead of just embroider them. So, yeah, always kind of look at your patterns in different ways. And I know I use a lot of, I do a lot of applique, and I turn them into actual, like ornaments for Christmas. I'll just go ahead and make 2 sides, make them bigger, stuff them, and, you know, they turn into something else. So that's just an idea for those of you that might not, you know, be aware of that. I know most of you probably are. But anyway, so that is going to do it for my actual crochet portion of Catcrazy Creations crochets. Now the next part is going to deal with the Crochet Carousel package. So if you're not interested in this, then this would be the time, you know, for you to maybe go watch some other people. But I do appreciate you stopping by and watching my videos. I do appreciate you, and I appreciate that you take the time to watch me. So from this point on, it will be for the Crochet Carousel package. But I do want to let you know that if you are not involved in the carousel package, I'm going to have everyone's names, their YouTube channels listed below. Please go subscribe to them and follow the process. I'm going to list them in the order that they're receiving the package. So just subscribe to everybody, and then you won't miss anything along the way. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, now this is for the carousel package. It has now closed. It closed as of this video, so sign-ups are done. We have 11 people in the swap. The swap will begin July 2nd, 2018. I will mail it to the first person on the list, which will be down below. Now I'm going to tell you what will happen after I mail it. It will have 8 items in the package. It must always have 8 items or more if you want to bundle, if you want to put extras in there. But every person that gets it, there must be 8 items in it. If there isn't, then you need to let me know so I can take care of the situation. It will go to the first person. That person does a video when they get it showing the box. Now you can undo the box if you want to on video, but you risk the chance of people seeing what else is in the box. So if you want to, you can do it that way, but everything in the box is supposed to stay a secret. You're not supposed to show anything in the box. So you can cut the video after you show the box. Then you can look through everything, come back and say this is what I kept from the box. And then, you know, you replace what you take out, same amount of items. If you want to bundle, if you want to put extras, go ahead and put extras. They have to be in freezer, Ziploc freezer bags, and you have to put counts as 1 item on the freezer bag. You can put 2 or 3 items in a bag, and if someone wants the bag, they must take the whole bag. They do not go in and take what they want. They must take the whole bag. So yes, you can bundle if you want. That is an addition to what you take out though. You must replace what you take out, and then you can put the extras in if you want. Okay, so then once you do that, you put your items back in. It can go box or it can go envelope, however you feel you want to do it. Priority mail, it must be mailed priority mail only. So you can either use a box priority mail or you can use the big envelopes priority mail, depending on what is in the package. So that's up to you, but it must go priority mail. You must mail it the very next day to the next person that you are supposed to send it to. So I am figuring each person should have it, well, from start to finish, it should be 4 days. Take 2 days to get to the people, a day at the people's residence, and then the day to mail it. So that's why it needs to go priority mail, because I want this to try not to be a 2-month thing. I want to try to keep it within the month. So that is where that goes. So once you mail it, priority mail, send me a tracking number. That way I can track the package and make sure that nothing, it gets lost or anything like that. I can be on it and I can take care of the situation right away. So that's very important that I get the tracking number after you mail the package. And then once you've done that, then, you know, your part is over. Then you can just sit back and watch, you know, which is fun. Then you watch and see if the person you send to, you know, if they take any of your stuff out, or who takes your stuff, what they think of it, like that. So it's fun. It's a quick swap. You only have it in your possession for a day, so it's a very quick swap. And, you know, that is basically all the rules. So if you have not sent me your email address, please send me your email address to my email down below, because that's how I am going to be contacting you with the name of the person you send to, and I am going to send the rules also in that so that you guys all personally have them to look over if you need to. Yeah, I think that is it. So make sure to subscribe to the list down below so you can follow the package. There is one lady that will not be doing a video, but she has been a subscriber of mine for many years. I have been doing YouTube for 9 years, so she has been faithfully following me for many years. She has been in a number of my swaps, but she's only a subscriber. She does not do videos. She does not have the equipment to do videos. So what she does is she takes pictures of what she takes out and she sends them to me. When I do the update for you guys, which there will probably be about 4 of them, so be watching for those as well. Then on the next update where I have her pictures, then I will show them to everybody and you will see what she took. She is reliable. She's done this for many years with me, and she's good with that. But everybody else, make sure that you subscribe to them, and you can follow right along the process. Let me see. I'm trying to think. Is there anything else? Oh, this coming week here is when you will be getting an email from me. So if you're watching this and I have not gotten your email address, please send it again to me in the email down below, because I am going to be sending you the name and the rules during this week so that you will have them when the package goes out on the 2nd of July. Okay, thank you so much everyone for watching. This is going to be a fun swap. It's going to be a quick swap. Great way to de-stash some of your stash, maybe get something new. So anyway, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next video.